Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add guests on your team in your Monday.com. So this is actually pretty simple. First, go right here to invite members. Now you will have to select if you want them to be member, admin or viewer only. So in order to add guests, it has to be viewer read only. Now here you can enter one or more email addresses. So let's say I will add some guests, and in order to add them I will have to type in their email address or invite them from Google Workspace. You can optionally write them a message if you want. So let's say, hey, join me as guest, and then send invite. This will send an email address to their email where they will have an invitation to your workspace as a guests. You can invite more members and teammates if you want with this button, or just close it. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.